Hey, hello, hi, welcome to Distract channel. So, guys, today we discuss topic about that how do we increase the traffic from Facebook? What are the methodologies we can follow for the increasing for Facebook for generating for website traffic? First of all, what are content you sharing from website from YouTube to website? Anything we can go with the option name is called select your one website link. In website link, just you can copy here. Click option name is called here in the Facebook. Here it is. We can use different you are sharing. We can icon will be there. So when you're selecting in this option, we have option name is called Facebook newsfeed and story in a profile option. When a posting time, you always remember that you can shoot by the 30 hashtags. What is the hashtag? Nothing but is asked nothing but your trending. You asked nothing but your particular trending. So copy this one. Future will be here. When click here option. So first of all, we have to increase the reach particular audience. We can select your particular Facebook page. The page will be here. So the page I'm selecting will be here. Select will be page and post it. You're done on particular page wise will be post is done. This will be your particular page, particular profile and particular groups. Everything will be doing this one. Next one, after this posting, we can go to this option name is called Facebook business page. So here is the option. Here we'll select it. So when you're sharing time in your Facebook page too, we have two options through page and through profile. When you're selecting will be page wise, we can share for other pages. Related pages you can create and post your content with original link. With the original link. So those your content. Next one, when you click from your groups, so what are the groups you have? We can sharing for your groups also. That we can sharing from along with your original content. Now click for post option. We can share from the pages, we can share from the groups. What are the option you have? We can share from the Facebook business page to different options. So now click this feature, share to page. What are the your pages are there? Not using for same page. Your particular groups, page option. So what are the relevant pages? Select it. Share with the original post. Original post mean that we can increase your page likes and follower purpose. Next one, we can share from the your Facebook profile. Facebook profile, lot of difference are there. Click this, share now, share news feed, messenger, groups, page, share your friends timeline. Any friends timeline you can select from here. So we can this friends will be reach from the new person will be reaching for your particular users. So that will be compulsory. We can do this in a particular profile option. So there is the option will be called. We can see this particular profile post that will be reached from the new profile audience. They reach from the new profile audience. So that is the option. What are the content you will be? First of all, business page you can create and post the content will be different pages and groups option. And how we can target the new customer? Always add the new groups and new pages will be share the content will reach the new audience. So that is the compass important from each and every user to increase the website traffic purpose. So those steps we can follow to increase the website traffic by using Facebook business to groups and your particular profile. So now this one option. Next thing is called, I can show one more option. Each Facebook page, we can join for n number of groups. N number of groups. We can link with your existing group and join with the new group, creating for new group. What's the purpose of? If suppose, I'll show you here. Any video I'm selecting, copy, paste. Here is the option. So the link is done. When I posting that your Facebook page, at a time we can sharing for groups also. There is a Facebook page. Each page, when you're sharing time, this one, we can share for relevant groups, 723 member, 6.6K members. So any three groups you can select here. So now is only, we are selecting only two groups. So we only for two group will be possible. So that is the call. We can add the two groups option and click for post. And always important, what are the content you're sharing? The groups are major key role will be play. So that is the purpose. We can add the group. How to add the group? First question. So simple one. We can go to which topic you want. The topic will be selected here and search. There are multiple features are there. In the selecting for groups, which group we can join in here, select that particular group here. So these much of groups are here. So any new groups are there, unjoining group, you can check it out. These all will be joining groups. See this one. See how many groups are they are joining. So what is the purpose of selecting here? Select your content, upload image. Select to the here. In this group, 2,24,000 members are there. There's people will be reaching our post. There is a group facility. So we can go to individual group and post your content. In this, when I share the content, automatically will showing for your particular Facebook page. Why it is called? We'll link with this will be your particular group option. So that is the method we can follow by the to share your particular content with the multiple groups. How can reach audience? Only one thing remember, guys. Any content will be sharing from here. One is called through Facebook page. Second will be Facebook profile. In a certain Facebook page, we have number of options are there. Share groups, share pages. When your Facebook page. With your profile, there are number of options are there. For suppose, if I'm selecting this feature, not only this one, we can selecting this feature, copy, share, news feed, select it. We can tag anyone. So who can people, how many people you can tag them? Click for post it. So those audience, their cover image will be shown to the particular audience. They're reaching the your particular post purpose. The final goal is called your website traffic. So I can using for YouTube channel traffic or website traffic, anything. But any website, what are the content you sharing from website here? The always option name is called. Click here, add color button, select your option. Here will be showing for direct future will be shown to the customer where you can share this particular post. Friends timeline, where page here in a private message. Private may nothing but we can reach from the different audience will be here. That all will be. So now we can refresh. When image will be visible, the content will be sharing from the different social network. Post it. This will be, I'm sharing for group directly. How many groups are there? Digital. So this much of groups are there. We can use this much of groups for the sharing. The content will be here. So this will be. Now click for post option. This is all mean by to increase the website traffic. Will be sharing for first of all Facebook page to group, and your friends timeline will be shared. The more people will be get audience. They click on website. They increase your website traffic based on the people will be watch your post. Your thumbnail will be very attractive when you share the content will be there website to social networking platforms. So these are very important. You can calculate and look the carefully and share the content with the hashtags are important. Hash will be trending purpose. Rate will be tag the person. So if you say from rate, so that is called simple. I should tell you here. Rate. So these all will be rate purpose. Who will be can tag will be here, and ash will be trending. These are the trending. Each hash will be number of posts using will be that is the reaching the audience based on the hashtag. How to know this one? We can using hashtags. You can will be search will be here. Who will be posting for digital marketing hashtag? The post all will be shown to the in a particular Facebook when your search engine option. So that is the purpose. You can use the hashtag option. So you have any particular query about that in Facebook purpose, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.